we're gonna be filtering this glass with dirty water, and we're gonna make it into clean water. Because lots of people in the world, like 1 million of people, don't have any water at all. So we're gonna filter it to be good. And it's basically supposed to be a project. Fill the jar with dirty water, fill up, and then we're gonna filter it into clean water. So we're gonna find out what we're gonna do with it actually. We could put some kind of thing in it or something. It's perfect. Dirt. Water, and now we're ready. Hey guys, we're gonna be making another video where we filter this water, and we've made the rocks, gravel, sand, and paper, which is going to filter this water, and we're gonna make it dirtier with this. Leaves, dog hair, some leaves, some dog hair. Looks like the water on the bottom doesn't have any leaves, hair, dirt, anything in it actually. So now we can get a normal glass of water and put it in here. Now that it's rinsed, it's dripping clean water because this got sand in it and then it got like yellowish. But this, you had to do it after. You gotta wait a couple minutes. You can see it's way clearer. If you don't have enough money to buy a filter, just find all these and stuff and then just make it. This is a survival skill. So this does work. Just make sure to listen to the steps and you can get this perfect. It seems that they look the same, which means this thing did work. It's clean water in the bottle, clean water in here. But that's the end of our video. LaserProofKitten is the best person ever.